Looks interesting. Looks interesting. Looks interesting. Is it going up? Looks like it's going up. It's going up. Looks is going up, people. I think I'm gonna enter looks. Let's enter looks, people. Yes. Let's see. Let's see what it's gonna be able to do. Let's see. All right, let's pick on looks. Okay. All right, let's buy looks. Let's see what it's gonna do. Did we buy it? Looks like we bought looks. Looks like we bought looks. Oh my God. We have bought looks. Okay. I think we have bought looks. Let's go and set our sell limit. Let's see where looks is heading to. What an interesting one. Let's see whether we're in profit. We're kind of in profit. But let's go and check. 1, 3, 4. Let's see whether this is going to go. I just want to get 2%, 4 or 5. Let's see. I think I'm cool with this one. It should be able to get there. 2.7. Okay. Maybe let's reduce it. Let's make it 1, 3, 4, 5. Just so that we can have something good. Alrighty. I think I'm cool with this. 2.3 is fine. Let's see how that works. Okay, so looks. We have bought looks and we have set looks to the sell limit. Okay, can you see looks is going up? Looks is going up. See where we are going. It's going up. Oh, it's going down now. So we'll come back and see looks. Looks is doing good. Yeah, looks is doing good. We are expecting it to go up a bit more. We have some good news here. We made profit, as you can see. Just for your awareness. Okay, that's beautiful. Yeah, so you can say like 3 years plus. Yeah, in the digital asset space. All right, so see, we made money, people. Can you see? We made $20.45 after all fees have been taken, which is cool, guys. Yeah, so that is 2.25%. Let's go ahead and quickly see what that is currently. You can see, where's that again? Let me not lose out on that. Okay, so looks. This is looks. I mean, it looks really interesting. The name is actually very interesting. Looks. We made money with looks. Okay. And just let me check the charts to see what exactly happened. You can see it went down. It went all the way down. Now it's going back up. Yeah. So it starts 15 minutes, but let's see the 1 hour. The 1 hour, it went down. It went up, got executed now, and went down. Anyways, we're out of the trade, which is cool. So let's get it and go and do our quick, calculations. As you can see, it was 20, but it's 22.25. Yeah, 2.25%, as you can see, like that. That's what gave us 45 cents. So we will go over and quickly do our shipping out the profits, which I love to do all the time. When I'm done with a trade, I love to ship out my profit. So, ma'am, what do you think about Link? Okay, I'll check out Link. Let's see what Link is saying after I ship out my profit. All right, so let's quickly transfer our profit. Real cool. I love it. So, you can see how this is two new platforms have given us, trades. That's beautiful, guys. That's beautiful. So I'll just move that from trading to funding. We'll put in the max and we'll send our 45 cents to its place. All righty. So yeah, we've sent that. As you can see, our first trade has executed in OKX. So let's get back in there.